Yo. Okay. Okay. I need some help, people. I want to point out a couple of things. Numero uno. Daily high volume closing price. Here's the highest volume bar on the chart. Closing price 162.01. Tag it, just mark that line, carry it forward. So you see here, you get the bulls and the bears, they kind of battle it out. And here, bulls ran it right up to it. Bears defended, what's this high? 161.91. This closed at 162.01. So got it to freaking 10 cents. Look at the next day. Tanked it down 18-ish. That's crazy. Down 18 on the open. That'll rip your heart out. All right, and then here again, defended. This level was defended on this day with a shooting star. All right, here's what I need help with. When I first look at this, you know, we've had a big pickup in activity. Obviously, has everything. But when I look at this, I see price moving up, generally speaking, over this time, and volume seems to be tailoring off. Right? We saw it in the SPOOs on the, was it the 4 hour? Saw it here in the SPOOs, where generally speaking, volume tailored off on this price move up. And we kind of, well, it wasn't as dramatic as the direction of this line, but price stalled. Let's just say it stalled. All right, let's go back to this. Microsoft. Daily. Now, when I switch over to my handy dandy wave charts, okay, you've got pretty big wave generated. In fact, it's the biggest wave in the last, what is this, 3 years. Okay? That's a lot of volume. 755 million on this wave. These are Weiss waves. I got the book somewhere, somewhere up there. Weiss wave. So that is a lot of energy, which I would have expected it to maybe be a little bit smaller over this time frame, given how, well, I guess at first appearance, first look on the last chart, this one looked more dramatic in terms of tailing off. Okay. Let's drill in just a little bit. Check this out. On these down waves, down to the lows, it's not really anything significant, but this one, I would call it fairly significant. Look at the size of this down wave compared to these others. Now, this number, 126, rounded up to 127, that is a lot of effort. And for price to barely dip below the lows, which these are going to be obvious, it's going to be obvious stopping, that's an obvious stop level down here. You're going to take this out and then rip it the other way. Effort versus the reward. The effort put in versus the reward it got. You couldn't take it any further, couldn't take it any lower. And then we rally back, and all the bears that put in the effort are now providing the fuel to the upside. Look at this. There's nothing to the downside. Now this finally gave something. Just don't know what this means. I don't know what it means. Can you flip it back here? it makes me want to think. It makes me think short. But when you see, or at least when I see this amount of effort put in, and it just can't move it 2 points below. Somebody is defending this 135 level. Somebody or someone is defending the level here. I'm going with blue. No, I don't like blue. Let's go with red. Okay. I don't like that color either. Anyway, what does it mean? What do you see? What do you get from this? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what it means. I really have no idea. Does it generate anything different? So before I just combine them, so now it's reflecting 141. I don't know. I'm leaning bearish. But what do I know? I'm a newbie. Leave your thoughts. Leave some comments. Or take a nap. I don't care.